YouTube. It's been a minute. Sorry for the lack of content lately, but I will be doing, I did post up here that I was going to do a tour of everything that I've done to the condo, because that's been taking up most of my time. I was also furloughed from my job, so I've been, kind of just using my time as wisely as possible, and with that, it was mostly doing condo upgrades. So I will show you guys what the condo looks like with all the upgrades that I've done so far. But today, I'm going to do a short and simple and sweet install. That's actually going to correspond with another part that I just picked up that I'll be doing here shortly. I've actually wanted to do this one for a while now, and I just haven't done it. I just recently bought it too, so I've had this car now 4 years, and I'm now just getting around to doing this, and that is the SmartTap flasher relay by Diode. So I'm going to go ahead and get this thing installed, mostly because I want the approach lighting. Now I'll show you guys what that is once I install it, but the approach lighting is actually a pretty cool feature that I've seen in a bunch of other cars that just didn't come standard on the WRX, and I'm glad that there's something out there that actually gives you that function. So this SmartTap, I'm going to install it real quick. It's super simple. It's literally taking apart a couple pieces of the car and then getting this installed and getting it programmed to where I want it. Now there are other things and features that this thing does do, like wig wags and stuff like that, that I don't really know how to do and how to program. I will be looking that up and seeing how to do that, but for now, it's going to be, like I said, just the approach lighting that I really like and really enjoy, and also this hopefully will fix a problem with the next mod that I'm going to do on the car. So I'm going to go ahead and get this installed, and I will show you guys the programming for the approach lighting and everything else. I will go ahead and put a link in the description down below for the programming of everything else. Diode did a video of how to do everything. Really a lot of information in that video, so I will go ahead and link that in the description below. But like I said, I'm doing this mostly for approach lighting and for the other modification I'm doing here soon. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get going on this install, and I'll show you guys what it does. All right, so with everything else that I've done over here in this section of the car, we're going to take off this piece here, and we're going to pull this piece down. And actually, the relay sits somewhere around right there. So I'm going to go ahead and get this off real quick. I'll show you guys where the stock location is, and we'll go ahead and get this install rolling. Like I said, this is going to be pretty quick. All right, so with that panel removed, we'll look under here, and there is the flasher relay. So we're going to go ahead and get it out of there and replace it with the SmartTap one. Now, I've seen a couple other videos on this thing, and there's not really a lot of wiggle room for the wiring. So we're gonna have to basically pull it out of there, get it in there, and hopefully get it wired up correctly. I'm gonna need both hands. Obviously I won't be able to film this section, but let me actually, first of all, let me see if I can get in here and at least take it off. Nope, I'm gonna need both hands. Anyway, I thought I'd give it the old college try and see if I could do it on video, but I'm gonna go ahead and get it out of here with both hands and get the new one installed. And I'll show you guys the finished product, and then we can start going over how to program the approach lighting. So I was able to get the flasher relay taken out. Some people were able to slide that little clip off of there and unclip it that way. I just used the clip removal tool and pulled the clip out. So I'm gonna get it off of this relay so I can replace it onto the new one. But yeah, kind of a tight squeeze. And like you can see, I'm trying to get the best possible angle here. And yeah, you can't really see in there, but the wiring harness does not really extend too far out. So yeah. Now I was also told that on the new relay, you want to maybe stretch these little tabs out just a little bit, so that way it goes onto the connector smoothly. Sometimes it gets caught up. But yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and move on to getting the new relay installed, and I will show you guys the aftermath. All right, and with struggling with that little clip for a minute, I was finally able to get it off and get it on the new SmartTap, and there it is installed. So I'm gonna go ahead and get everything else tied up here, get it back reinstalled, and then take a look at some of the features of this thing. I'm pretty excited about having it in the car. Okay, so with this SmartTap thing, the thing that I wanted most was the approach lighting. Now, by default, because I was just watching the video from Diode, by default, it's set up to stay on for 20 seconds after you unlock the car. Now, you can program that by messing with your turn signal stock and pressing the unlock button on your key fob. If you want more time, you push the stock up and press the unlock button. If you want less time, you put the stock down and press the unlock button. So anyway, I'm going to show you guys what that does. Like I said, the thing I wanted most out of this SmartTap was the approach lighting. So we're going to do this. And it does that. So it's going to be really bright because I have the C lights, but C lights, turn signals up front, which those are going to be going away soon. It lights up the mirror lights, and then it also lights up the lights on the back. So I'm super happy with how this came out. Like I said, quick, simple. You can see like it's just like that, just shut off 20 seconds later. Simple install. I absolutely love it. There are a couple of things like I can program for the turn signals and the flashers. But if you guys want me to do a full in-length video of how to do that, let me know. Like I said, I will link the Diode Dynamics video down in the description below. But yeah, this is a quick and simple process. And like I said, I needed this in order to do the next upgrade on the car so I wouldn't have the hyper flash problem. But yeah, I'm all done here. Thank you guys so much for the support. I will do a tour of the house with everything. Sorry, the phone cut out because my mom was calling. Anyway, like, comment, subscribe. Thank you guys so much for sticking around. I wish I had so much more content for you guys. But I don't want to just put out garbage content. I want to make sure that whatever I do to the car, that you guys get something out of it. You know, if you guys need help installing something, if you have a technical question, anything like that, that's what I'm here for. I would love to, like I said, get more content out, but I just want to make sure that it's quality. But yeah, thank you guys so much for sticking around, and I keep getting subscribers, so thank you guys so much for subscribing. Like, comment, subscribe on this video. Let me know if you guys have any questions, and if you guys want to do a full length how to program every function of this thing, let me know in the comments below. Thank you guys so much. Have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you guys soon.